The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Effective until 6:19 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montgomery County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Philadelphia County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County, in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Glenmore, or 11 miles northwest of West Chester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, West Chester, Norristown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Yeadon, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Hillcroft, Ambler, Swarthmore, Collegeville, Royersford, Narberth, Trapp, East Lansdowne, Morris Park, and Pewtown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 303340 northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 26. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 17. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327350. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 4 and 19. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of